खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर FEM, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। कोर्स नेम BCA सेकंड सेमेस्टर, प्रोग्राम नेम BCA सेकंड सेम, कोर्स नेम बिजनेस मैथ। सेशन ऑफ टुडे, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन एंड हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन। आउटलाइन, first of all introduction, then sequence and series, arithmetic progression, how to find arithmetic mean, geometric progression, and how to find the geometric means. What you should learn: understand the concept of sequence and series, identify arithmetic and geometric progression, apply AP and GP in various business problems. So now sequence and series. Sequence, a list of number called terms, always arranged in a definite order. Each number except first follows another number according to some rule. Example: 1 3 5 7 dot 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 dot. This is the arrangement of n numbers, or difference in every term, consecutive term is 2. Similarly, another series 2 4 6 8 dot dot dot. This is another series. Here difference between two consecutive term is also 2. Series, the indicate sum of the term of sequence is called an infinite series. Sn represent the sum of the first n term. S1 is equal to A1, S2 is equal to A2, Sn is equal to A1 plus A2 dot 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 An. Now arithmetic progression. Definition of arithmetic progression is sequence of term. Each term after the first term equal the sum of the preceding term and a constant called common difference D. Here difference between two consecutive term is always same, that is 2. 1 3 5 7. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Again 5 minus 3, again 2. 7 minus 5, again 2. Such type of common difference is called the arithmetic progression. Next series 4 7 10 13. Here common difference is equal to 3. Nth term of an AP, first term is A, common difference is D, then next term will be A plus D, again next term would be A plus 2D, similarly A plus 3D dot dot dot. A plus n minus 1 into D is the nth term. So nth term of n arithmetic progression will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is equal to first term and D is equal to common difference. Sum of the first n term of arithmetic progression will be Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Properties of arithmetic progression is: if a constant is added to or subtracted from each term of an AP, the resulting progression will also be in AP having the same common difference. 1 3 5 dot 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 same different. D is equal to 2. 1 is added to each term, then we get 2 4 5 8. Here D is equal to 2. Both series will be arithmetic progression. So there is no any effect if we add or subtract equal number in each term. In each term of an AP is multiplied by a constant, the resulting progression will also be in AP. 1 3 5 7. Here common difference will be 2. If this is multiplied by 3 and this series become 3 9 15 21, here common difference will be 6. So series will be again arithmetic progression. If each term of AP is divided by the constant, the resulting series also be in arithmetic progression. Suppose we have a series 2, 4, 6, 8. Here common difference is equal to 2. If this series is divided by 2, we get 1, 2, 3, 4. Again common difference will be same, so this will be the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic means a number A is called an arithmetic means AM of two numbers A and B. All of them are in AP. Since small a, capital A and small b are in AP, then common difference A minus A is equal to B minus A. It is because in every consecutive term difference are same in arithmetic progression. So by the solving this, we get 2a is equal to a plus b and a is equal to a plus b by 2. This is the arithmetic mean of arithmetic progression. If we have n means between two term a and b, then an will be a plus nb minus a upon n plus 1. Again, geometric progression. Each term after the first is formed by multiplying the preceding term by a constant called the common ratio. If any series is multiplied by a number and we get successively the next term 2, 4, 8, 16, here r is equal to 2. If 2 is multiplied by 2, we get 4. Again 4 is multiplied by 2, we get 8. Again 8 is multiplied by 2, we get 16. In similar way, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Here common ratio will be 3. It is because if we multiplied 3 successively, we get the same series. Nth term of geometric progression, first term is A, common ratio is R, then second term will be AR, next term will be AR square, again fourth term will be AR cube. In same way, nth term will be AR to the power n minus 1. So nth term of geometric progression will be A into R to the power n minus 1. Sum of terms of arithmetic progression AP, arithmetic progression of GP will be Sn is equal to A R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1, assuming R is not equal to 1. Properties of geometric progression is following. If a sequence is in GP, then the sequence obtained by multiplying each term by a non-zero constant is also in GP. 2, 4, 8, 16, here r is equal to 2. Each term is multiplied by 3. Series will be 6, 12, 24, 48. It is again a GP. If sequence in GP, then the sequence obtained by taking the reciprocal of each term, it will also be in GP. The sequence is in GP, then the sequence obtained by raising each term to the same power is also in GP. 2, 4, 8, 16. Here common ratio R is equal to 2. Each term is raised by 2, 4, 16, 64, 256. So common ratio R is equal to 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Geometrical means a number G is called the geometric mean GM of two numbers A and B if the series A, G, B are in GP, then common ratio G upon A is equal to common ratio of next term B upon G. After multiplying, we get G square is equal to AB, or G is equal to plus minus under root AB. A geometric means between two number A and B, G is equal to plus minus under root AB. In similar way, if we have n geometric mean between A and B, then Gn is equal to AR to the power n. So Gn is equal to A B upon A to the power n upon n plus 1. Next, harmonic progression. It is just reciprocate of the arithmetic progression. The progression A1, A2, A3 is called in HP. If 1 upon A1, 1 upon A2, 1 upon A3 is in HP. If A, B, C are in HP, then B is the harmonic mean between A and C. In the case B is equal to 2AC upon A plus C. So harmonic progression is just a reciprocal of the arithmetic progression. If A1, A2, A3 dot 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 AN are in AP, then 1 upon A1, 1 upon A2 dot 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 1 upon AN will be in harmonic progression. Harmonic progression, harmonic means between AP, GP and HP. Suppose AM, GM and HM will be arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Then following results are hold good. Arithmetic mean AM is equal to A plus B upon 2. Similarly, GM is equal to root AB. HM is equal to 2AB upon A plus B. By solving these two, multiplying AM into HM is equal to A plus B upon 2 dot 2AB upon A plus B. After multiplying, it become AB, or AB is nothing, it is square of GM. Summary. Key points. A sequence is a set of numbers written in the particular order. We sometimes write U1 for the first term of the sequence, U2 for the second term, and so on. We write the nth term as UN. Key point. Next, a series is a sum of terms in the sequence. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve.